Hey guys, this is Connor with Stephen Wade Honda, and I'm going to show you how your Apple CarPlay works today. So, you just have a Apple genuine cord that works with your phone, and then there you got your USB port down here with the little phone on it. You'll take your cord and plug it on in there, and then you'll take your phone and you'll plug it into your phone. And then you've got to unlock your iPhone. I'm not going to show you my password, but now it's unlocked. So you'll get this this thing on your screen that says enable Apple CarPlay for this device. What you'll do is you push enable right there. And then once you push enable, it'll ask you on your phone, allow Apple CarPlay. You just push allow on that. And then you'll get the Honda Link Assist. So if you were ever in an accident or anything like that, I figure I'm calling authorities anyway, right? This will do it for you. So if you pass out at the wheel or something like that, it's going to call authorities and let them know where you're at. So I always enable that. Now once you've done all that, then the Apple CarPlay will pop up and you'll click on that little logo right there, and there you go. You've got Apple CarPlay. You can have, your maps right here. So if you click on that, that'll take you to your maps. You can access Siri and Google, whatever. You just hold in this little thing right here and Siri will pop up. Take me to the closest Taco Bell. Pretty sweet. I love Taco Bell. And she'll show you all the locations for Taco Bell, which is really, really cool. She'll take you home, do everything. Like all the things that Siri can do. Now it's on your car, which is super cool because now you don't have to be distracted while you're driving. You can send text messages, make phone calls, you can do all that. You can play music. It's like one of the coolest things in the world. It really, if you've got young kids and stuff, it helps them too because they're not texting and driving. They're just using Siri to do it. So, it's super cool technology, and that's how you set up your Apple CarPlay.